The default setting for group assignments in Canvas is to give all group members the same grade. Sometimes you need to give an individual student a different grade than the rest of their group. Here's how. Open the assignment and click on SpeedGrader. Mute the assignment by clicking this bell icon so that students don't receive grading notifications until you are finished grading. Next, grade and give feedback to the group as if everyone was getting the same grade. Now click Submit. Now return to the assignment and click Edit. Scroll down and click the box next to Assign grades to each student individually. Hit Save. Go back to SpeedGrader and find the student who will be given a different grade. Edit the grade and give feedback for the individual student. Notice we left the setting Send Comment to this student only selected. Click Submit. Now we'll return the assignment to the default settings. Go back to the assignment, click Edit, and uncheck Assign grades to each student individually, and then save your changes. Changing this setting back does not undo the individual grade you just entered, and you can switch back and forth as many times as you need during grading. Finally, when you're done grading everyone, unmute the assignment to release the grades to the students. The individual with the different grade will receive their grade along with both the group comments and any individual comments you left for them. The rest of the group will just see the group grade and the group comments you made. As always, don't hesitate to contact us via the OES Course Assistance Form if you have questions or need additional help.